Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The people who are coming for the first time to my channel, thank you very much. Just to let you know, my name is Amit and today we are going to unbox the most demanding laptop from Dell, which is XPS. This laptop is in demand right now. I mean, wherever you check, the ratings are very good, and so I've made this video so that you guys can just take a look and have a look like how this laptop looks like in real. So we are going to unbox this right now. Let's start. So I've ordered this laptop directly from Dell, and I've got this laptop today. To be honest with you, I'm not that much satisfied with the delivery. It took like a week, which wherein it should be delivered in 2-3 days, but it's okay. Finally it is here, so I'm going to open this box and let's see. So I can see there are two boxes in this big box. Oh. So this is the charger, and this was in this box. It came outside, so this is an empty box now. This charger was inside this box. It came outside. For now I am keeping this charger aside. I'll show the charger later on. So this is how the box looks like from inside. So it has a Dell branding. It's a very nice box, and we'll open this box. Wow, I really like the packing of this box. It's really nice. So as we see, this is the brand new Dell XPS laptop, how it looks like. It has a good branding, and as you can see, it is XPS. It is all packed with a plastic wrap, which is really good. At the bottom you can find the serial number of the laptop as well, and this packing is really nice. There's a catalog for the XPS. It okay, just to let you know that this is XPS 137390. You can check it out. This is the catalog which I've got, and this is the box for the laptop. Really nice packing. I'm really impressed with the packing of the laptop. For now I'll keep this inside and keep this box here. So as you can see, there is a arrow here to open from here, so I'm gonna open this now. From past many years, the Dell has really improved the build quality of the laptop. As you can see, sorry for the interruption. As you can see, I was telling that from last few years the Dell has improved the quality so much. The manufacturing is really very nice. See every corner, this is black from here. So just to let you know that this particular model comes in two color. One is like the one which I have got is silver from outside and black from inside. However, the second color is like whole white. It is like white from the keyboard and everything, and from outside also it's white. To be honest, I don't like that because the keypad, if it is white, it really gets like dirty very soon. So as you can see, this is black from inside and it is silver from outside, so it's a nice combination. I really like this combination. And let's see, so as you can see, this laptops is really a great looking laptop with a high configuration in it, and the build quality is so good. It's very thin. You can see from the sides, if you can see, it's like very thin. It has USB-C port in it. Okay. And this side it has a charging in it, and another USB-C and a power cable port. So as you can see, the thickness and the thinness, it's not thickness, there is not at all. Even the screen is so thin. I really like it. It looks really good. Hopefully it can power on. Yeah, it seems that it has some battery, so I'll just power it on and see how, if the I need to charge or it can be used as of now. Let's see. So far the build quality and material, everything is very nice. This touchpad is like, it has a glossy look, but it is like very finished. So I've just switched it on and it.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one? Now type your credentials.
गाइस मैं पासवर्ड डाल रहा हूँ. So basically this is the first time this laptop is switched on, and it's
Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
so
Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC with just your fingerprint. It's not only faster, it's more secure than a password. Want to set that up now? Follow the instructions to teach your PC to read your fingerprints.
so guys, अभी मैं अपनी fingerprint, I'm setting up my fingerprints so that I can log in it.
Want to set up a PIN? Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities. Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind? Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use? Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
गाइस अभी मैं सेटअप की स्क्रीन पर ही हूँ. यहाँ पर they are asking to enter the region. So here I'll enter United States and I'll hit next.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
So guys, this is the first time setup of Dell XPS laptop with Windows 10 in it. So this is how it looks like for the first time. Whenever you will turn your computer or laptop on, it will look like this, and you have to follow the instructions, and then it will be all set up. As if now it says okay, it's in progress. Here we go. This is the first time setup of the laptop, and it's done now, and I've got the home screen. So this is it for today, I guess. Just see and let me know what do you think about this laptop. For me, according to me, this laptop is really worth buying it. And oh sorry, I forgot to tell you the configuration. My laptop comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of memory. So that's a lot. This is high-end laptop. So just go and check it out and let me know, and uh, just comment below if you find it good, bad, or whatever. And if you want to know something else, just let me know, comment below, and I'll make another review video once I'll use it for a month, and then uh, we'll meet again. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this channel. Your support is really helpful. So keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.